A sculpture of Begum Rokeya is located at Shalban intersection next to the government Begum Rokeya College in Rangpur city. Rokeya's sculpture is named Alok Bortika. Construction of the sculpture was inaugurated in June 2017. The height of the sculpture is 20 feet from the ground. Of these, only the figure of Rokeya emerging from the stone and concrete is about 12 feet tall. The sculpture contains the names of Begum Rokeya's birth and death dates, as well as some of her books and saying. Begum Rokeya Shakwat Hossain, 1880 to 1932, also known as Begum Rokeya, was a prominent Bengali feminist, social reformer, writer, and educationist who championed women's rights and education in colonial Bengal. She was born in a landed family in Rangpur, Bangladesh. Thank you.